I want to give you a quick tutorial of your child's Google Classroom. Hopefully your child has explained this to you, but just in case you don't understand what they're trying to tell you, we figured we'd make this quick video for you. Your child's homeroom is probably going to be the most important class that they go to at the start of your e-learning day. You will always go to classwork. You'll see stream, classwork, and people. Classwork is where you will always go. This is the same place where you find your homework every day after school. But if you scroll down, you're going to see a new topic, and this new topic is e-learning. We will post your to-do list here every single day. So this Wednesday, September 2nd right here is just a practice run. So they know where to find it. This is their to-do list. This is not where their work will be found. Just like when you go to school, the child will go to their math class, or they will go to their writing class, or they will go to their reading class. In Google Classroom, they will go to those classes to get their classwork. And the e-learning section in their homeroom is just their to-do list. Now, another thing that you'll notice in the e-learning section is this e-learning attendance due every day. For your child's attendance to be counted, your child must go in every single day and fill out this form. If they do not fill it out, it will be counted as an unexcused absence. If your child is sick and they're unable to do the e-learning for the day, then it will follow the regular school routine. You'll notify Mrs. Webb in the front office, and for every day that your child is sick, they will get one additional day to do that makeup work. Now, your child can go to their classes, clicking on the left and selecting whatever class they need to go to. When they go to find their math homework, they're going to go to math classwork. They will see their daily math review listed here by day. The classwork is what we are doing in class. Down here, any extra instructional videos, technology issues, things like that. But this daily math review, classwork are going to be their two main go-tos during e-learning, and actually, as well as the days if you are sick on a traditional learning day. So, just a real quick recap. Homeroom is where you're going to have your to-do list and your attendance. You will go to your actual class to actually do your lessons that count as your school day lessons. During e-learning, your child will attend music class each day. So they will go to Mrs. McEwen's music class, and she will give you directions on what your music assignment is for that particular day. As usual, if you have any questions, please ask your teachers, and we would be more than happy to help you.